How to increase ringtone volume on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, look for the Ringtone and Alert section with the volume slider. Drag the slider to the right to increase the ringtone volume to your preferred level. As you adjust the slider, a sample tone plays so you can hear how loud it will be. For quick control using the side buttons, turn on the Change with Buttons option just below the slider. With that enabled, use the Volume Up button to raise the ringtone and alerts volume whenever you need. Keeping the slider near the higher end ensures incoming calls are easier to hear in noisy places. Next, tap on Ringtone in the list to preview how different tones sound at the new volume. Tap on a few tones to compare loudness and pick one that stands out clearly. If your phone is on silent, the ringtone will not play, so make sure the ring switch is set to ring. Following these steps, you can easily increase ringtone volume on iPhone.